Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can program your Gatehouse electronic deadbolt step by step. So first of all, before even adding the user code or users, you should change the programming code. Now, many of the Gatehouse electronic deadbolts come with the default programming code. So you need to make sure that you have that. So if you have changed it before, you need to know the programming code first. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply locate the set button. So you need to simply press and hold the set button for at least 2 seconds until the lock beeps twice and the red indicator lights up. Then you need to start entering the current programming code that you know and then press the set button again. After doing so, you just have to use this keypad in order to basically start entering your new 6-digit programming code, and then you need to press the set button again in order to basically save it. So this new code will require whenever you want to manage the log settings. Now, in order to create the user code, you need to press and hold the set button. Then you need to enter the programming code and follow the user code menu options that will be shown on your model's programming guide. Now, Gatehouse logs support multiple user codes as well, so you can add as many as you want. So once you are finishing, you just have to make sure that you test all of the programmed functions several times. So if the log behaves unexpectedly after doing so, you can definitely perform a factory reset and then you can repeat the programming process from the beginning. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.